Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechPress. Today, let's talk a little bit more about check out already installed games to Epic Games launcher. So if you got, let's say for example, 100 GB of game files sitting into your drive, but Epic Games wants you to download them all over again, you don't have to worry about that. The process actually is not that hard. So to get started directly with this element, what you wanted to do, of course, is to make sure that, of course, what I wanted to be doing here is to make sure that I do have, first of all, my Epic Games already been signed in very easy way. So inside here, what I wanted to do, of course, is that the Epic Games launcher still doesn't have a built-in scan tool. So you don't click the download button yet. I'm going to show you how to make the folder swap, right? So the first thing is to check out your folder file explorer. I'm going to open my actual file explorer or your finder, depending on where you're actually trying to start some games. So you want to find your installed games folder. If it's the name, let's say for example folder, you want to Fortnite, you want to right click into rename this for, let's say, Fortnite backup. Let me explain this a little bit more. Let's say for example that here I do have this specific element. I'm going to go for, let's say for example, this file like this. So instead of the name of the game, which is game only, I can change this for game backup like this. So make sure this folder is into the drive where you actually want the game to live. So we wanted to start the fake install, you might be saying. So if you go back directly from Epic Games, you wanted to look out for the launcher of the library of the product that is going to be asking you to download this once again, and hit for the element that says install. So when you hit now directly from install, you wanted to choose the parental folder where your backup is located, and of course it might be asking you to check out where would you like to make the installation element. Now here, since I'm using an actual finder, the finder of the macOS, it won't be letting me continue because I believe that this is not compatible, not supported for I believed macOS, so it's okay, you don't have to worry about that. Basically what's going to be asking you where you wanted to locate your elements. So basically I needed to find into my finder the games and the Fortnite backup folder, so you choose the games to install the actual path. Basically you needed to let the download start, and once this hits like about 10 to 20 seconds, you wanted to hit for pause. Do not cancel this, just pause it, trust me. But basically what you wanted to do is that if you go back directly from your file explorer, you'll see that a new folder will be created right away. So you need to go back to your drive. Epic just created an actual new empty Fortnite folder, for example. So you needed to delete the new Fortnite folder, and you wanted to enter the empty the folder. So inside the actual folder, I mean. So you take your Fortnite backup folder, rename this, and back to the original name Fortnite. So if your backup has an .ag store folder inside, you wanted to leave this there. It helps the launcher recognize the metadata faster. So a quick verification that I can give you is that Epic Launcher, if you hit for downloads and click into resume, go back into the resume, and you can check out that instead of downloading, it should now say verifying, and it's scanning your local files to make sure they are already there. And if it doesn't work, you need to close Epic Games and open it right away, and it will be making the downloadable element much more faster and easier to use, and you're good to go. So once verification hits 100, the launch button will appear. You just saved yourself a massive download and you're good to go. So if this saved your data cap, you wanted to give the video a like, subscribe for more let's say kind of this video like this. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hopefully we can see you all next time.